Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun but super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam Bling Vase and centerpiece for spring and summer. So what you'll need is one of these vases from Dollar Tree. You can really use any shape you like. I've got some loose gemstones here from Walmart. I also have some peel and stick gemstones from Walmart, both of which may or may not be used. I've got some hot glue. Got a pair of scissors. I've got some floral foam. I've got some of this blinged out glam ribbon. This is from Walmart, but you can't find this at Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, this is not from Walmart. This is from Michael's, but you can't find this at Dollar Tree. I've got some silver spray paint because I'm going to be spray painting the outside of this vase. And then I have some white hydrangeas that I picked up at Dollar Tree. So these are the items that we'll need in order to get this completed. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now isn't this really beautiful and so simple and easy to make? Now let's go ahead and start playing around with it and decorating. Okay, you guys, here's another very simple and easy to make glam DIY. If you like these kinds of DIYs, please make sure to share these videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.